Do we need to go there? No.
Gun.
That's all we pay for.
Well done, sir.
How's it going, sir? Well done. How are you? We're here for this. Thank you. But the media, we came with media now. How far can you allow media to go? Talk to them in charge now. Okay, so the issue I have with you now is it that we don't allow camera into the prison or we don't allow it beyond the gate? Because I've taken camera beyond here before. Yes. So if there's a superior person I can talk to, let me talk to him. So that we don't have to have any issue.
Yes. No, nobody has said.
Just call me. Just call him. Stay out of their road. So that they can... Tell him to leave the flag with them. And this is they want to see you. They want to see me. Hey, I can go back now.
Hello. Please.
Hello, officer.
Okay. How are you? Hello?
Go and drive and come.
They are still holding you.
Go drive and come.
Hello? What did they say? What's the issue? Hello? Let me talk to the Grand Commander now. Yes. Commence the conversation with him now, Musa. Tell him that what we're here for. Hello? Hello? Okay. Don't worry about Yes. Hello? Don't worry. So what's this? What's the issue now? Wait. Don't worry. How are you?
Thank you, sir.
So we're here for visitation.
Okay, you're welcome, sir.
Yeah. So what's the issue?
The issue is we have an instruction.
That what?
So when you are coming or whoever is coming, at least you need to put all across your in charge.
I can call in charge now.
You can call in charge.
But I don't know the new in charge. Don't worry about this now. Why are you always worried about physical camera? You know, we are all gadgets as you see us so now. So even if they don't carry you for camera, other things go carry you. God, they see you now. Yeah.
You know, I know that one.
Yeah, so.
Then you call. Don't worry.
Okay, so.
The guard commander is coming.
Talk
with him now.
No problem. Yeah, it's not a problem, no. Yeah. Is the Grand Commander here? Yeah. And then that's no problem. So this will be resolved. Just leave the main gate for them so that we don't obstruct them. Where's the Grand Commander now? Okay. Is it the army person or is your guy? Okay. No problem.
It's only I think you make
This one not be having car with it. Yeah,
It will be very simple.
it's not a problem. Just
To say authorities are aware before now.
with authorities, they cannot be here. Authority, you
But
guys have to use your own authority.
person is supposed to call and say you are coming to city.
You know, am I like some kind of authority person? I should call Tinubu to come to prison.
Authorities here now. If inside here is aware, they will give because of this is what this people group are coming.
Sometimes, everything is the government go know say I need payment, better salaries. Stanley, do you want to call again, see where they are? Because if I need to rush down there, I can just rush down. Okay. Yeah. Is that the one wearing red? How are you now? Let me shake your hand. So Ladele. It's off now. It's off. It's off. Just tell your guy to calm down.
So
Yes.
according to the order that given for us,
Yeah.
if they want to do something like that, we just go a bit away from the
Okay. And okay.
You see, if